Hi, I'm Adriana, the creator of Let's Make It Academy. I've designed Let's Make It Academy to teach people of all ages how to hand and machine sew, whether you have very little experience or possibly none at all. What sets Let's Make It Academy apart from anything else out there is that I teach you how to sew plushies, home decor, fashion accessories, and all other kinds of fun projects. And you're the designer here, so you download my printable pattern that I've designed that is like nothing else out there, and you make it your style. Like I always say, you're the designer here. And there are so many classes to choose from. I've created a learning platform that's user-friendly, affordable, and very easy to follow. In each class, you'll find a handout with all kinds of information for that class, and then your patterns that you can download and easily print out, as well as the tutorial that leads you over to YouTube for some classes, and of course some resources in case you don't know where to get the materials. This is not a membership site, so you have the freedom of purchasing any class you want a la carte, and there are so many classes to choose from. Go ahead and explore the courses to see all the options of learning how to make, as well as knowing that new courses are always being created and uploaded. Here are a few things that you should know. Let's Make It Academy offers some free courses and courses for purchase. A lot of the courses lead you over to YouTube for the tutorial, but then there are some courses for purchase that the tutorial is not on YouTube, but right here and exclusive to Let's Make It Academy. In each class, I walk you through step by step like I'm right there with you. And the best part is you can learn whenever and wherever you want. It's all up to you. And the best part is you can access your class anytime you want, whenever you want, from wherever you are. I have taught thousands of students how to hand and machine sew, even students who have never picked up thread or even a sewing needle. So if you're still not sure if Let's Make It Academy is for you, why don't you check out the free courses to get you started? I am so happy that you're here, and if you have any questions, please send me an email and I will see you in class. Bye for now.